And now for the news in detail. The 6th edition of the Meghalaya Games showcased 29 sports disciplines, including the debut of roll ball as a demo game, adding excitement to the event. This year also marked the first participation of para-athletes in the shooting discipline, with 7 para-athletes, including 4 women, competing using pistols and rifles. John F. Karsheng, working president of MSOA, praised the inclusion of para-athletes, crediting Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for the initiative. The state aims to foster inclusivity and diversity in sports moving forwad.
Kita ki kendai ngut di shooting association ka select activity nyung di nang tu pat kisah practice sampai hadam training under the training of Miss Bala juga shooting association Meghalaya. Nang tu kita lele bun ki competition ki state open bak minta ke di Meghalaya Games.